Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro direct weekly settings. Here you click on apps, default apps, app settings, and above here we search about FxPro. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here in this page you click on storage, then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you.